Here's an update video of the Volkswagen. Tony got it all spiffied up, polished, bumpers fixed where they were loose, all the trim and everything looking nice, interior's back together in it. We got all the carpet, everything cleaned up, shifters fixed, door panels looking good. All kinds of nice goodies in here. Back seats back in, first time seeing that. Carpet's good. Looking spiffy. It's got big bore tailpipes put on it. Looking good. Engine's all dressed up. About the same looking, but he tidied up the wiring on it. Looking good. We'll show you what it looked like before. Here's a before picture of the engine bay. We'll show you a before picture of the car. And here's after. Even got the, I guess you call it the trunk, all nice and tidied up. New wipers and center cap and everything, spare tire. Looks ready to do some cruising. Hopefully you guys see us on the road if you're local to us in East Tennessee. See it on the road pretty soon. We're going to some cruise ins and driving around, do some little driving with it. Well, thank you guys for watching. That's just a little update video on the Volkswagen. It's looking pretty good. Got all the fancy stuff on it. So please like, subscribe. We're just going to do some more videos here pretty soon. Got a big show coming up. We're going to go to it and give you all some more good content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.